Hello everybody. I've come out in the garden to spend some time with the fleet of ratchet straps that I brought back from Fell Edge, all of them, and to get to know ratchets a bit better. And I think we've been missing something important, which is that this is a piece of mechanical engineering, and we leave it out in the wind and the rain for months on end and expect it to keep working. And really, they need to be maintained, and that means bringing them back, hitting them with some WD-40, then with some oil, and lo and behold, even the most reluctant specimens start working properly and easily. So I'm not going to buy a load of new ones. I'm going to spend time this winter getting to know these ratchets on first name terms, personally. If I had 3 hands, I could demonstrate, 1 holding the camera and 2 operating the ratchet, but trust me, he works.